with my husband, we were able to spend a weekend at my in-laws who live by the lakeside in the town of Bobolice. So this is an interesting town because it is surrounded by forests, lakes, and rivers plus glacial hills. I have never been in a place like this in my whole life, whereby you have a number of lakes, like 10 of them, located in the same area, next to each other in the proximity of just a few meters away. So it was very interesting. Each lake in this video is a different one. They might look similar, but they are not. They are very different from each other, so we went to each one of them. It was just a wonderful experience. As a person who loves nature, I was blown away by the beauty, and because we went in a season when it's not too green, I will definitely go back when it's greener and I see these sights. So this place is commonly known for activities like fishing. Most people come from Poland just to come and do fishing here. Also, they do camping. There are different cottages that you can rent and stay for nights and have a wonderful time on your honeymoon, or just it's also very beautiful for people who enjoy hiking. I know my husband loves hiking, so he was having a good time. This is Pomoruska Góra Piasku, meaning Pomerian Sand Mountain, which is one of the tourist attractions in the area. It is a gigantic man-made hill and was created from sand waste after gravel extraction. It was built in 1972 and 2008. It contains about 9 million tons of sand. It is 600 meters long and 200 meters wide. Above sea level, it's about 245 meters. Yeah, and another thing you should know about me is I love geography. So I love geography, history. This was something very interesting to me. It is popular for hikers, photographers. We were able to see some people taking lots of photos, motocross riders, and quad bikes.
Będzie ciężko, tak jak łyki. No. You follow the steps, okay?
Can you wait for me? go so fast.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Honey, you're going so fast. Me, I'm even holding a camera. You'll be there. Huh? Joshua, is it okay?
Tak. Tylko ja tu mam ładunek.
Bananki. 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 To the door. It was very windy that I told my husband with my small weight, it's blowing me all the way back to Uganda. I told him, you see, I'm going back to Uganda. The wind is taking me. He said, no, don't go. I need you come here. It was so sweet. Made it back to the room. Yonisi wa malokulia ga Yesu ba bweswi. Like, I'm not a very good swimmer, so I was so scared to go so far. That's why I was like this. These are two lakes right next to each other with a small piece of land separating them, so somebody tried to dig to make sure that they are not separated, but still didn't manage with that. these forests are reserves and are protected by the government heavily. We found out that some of the trees had been damaged by the beavers so badly that some had fallen, but some were still standing straight. I kept on looking for the beavers, but I couldn't find any. Architecture is an area of interest of mine. So this church is like 100 years old and was built from stones. I definitely had to see it go around. I kept on saying we need to go closer to that church. I need to see this. It was very beautiful. Bobolice as a town has its own museum. They have items such as guns that were used in the ancient days, tailoring machines, grinding machines, clocks, bells, clothes, lots of items that are gotten from the community. People bring these things that they used to have, like old television sets, radios, cameras, and they donate them or they are bought from them. There is a gallery which had an elephant on it. Because elephants are my favorite animals, I had to take a picture with the elephants. On our way back, we toured the hydroelectric station. It has a lake above that acts as a water reservoir, and water rushes through the pipes to generate the electricity. Water is stored in the upper reservoir, and when the electricity is needed, it is able to flow down through the pipes, and the electricity is produced when the turbines spin the generators. In pumped storage systems, the water can later be pumped back uphill using the surplus electricity, so it's a continuous process. It was very interesting. I will be definitely coming back to Bobolice. Thank you for watching.